everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amulya and today we're going to discuss something, or actually today I'm going to show you guys some things that you can do at your home if you're alone also. This video is for all of you guys who are facing anxiety, depression, loneliness. So let's begin. The four things I'm going to tell you guys are the most basic things we all already know, but the reason why I'm sharing the most basic things is that we often or always leave the basic things considering them basic. We are unaware of the fact that these basics are the most important and effective parts of our day we usually miss out. Practicing these will definitely help you fight mood swings and anxiety related issues, and you will calm your soul down. The first thing you need to do is practice basic self-care. By basic self-care, I mean taking a bath every day. So I just washed my face properly because I took a bath earlier in the morning. Just wipe off your face and it looks very clean. After wiping your face, apply moisturizer on your hands and also on your legs. Make sure your hands and nails are clean. Cut your nails properly so that no dust particles go inside. The next step is applying aloe vera on your face. So I personally prefer Wild Organic Home aloe vera gel, and that is really good. So apply it evenly on your complete face and rub it gently. I'm doing it fast for you guys right now. It feels so good massaging your face with aloe vera gel. My skin feels so good, my face is shining without any makeup. The next step is to apply Vaseline on your lips. These are very basic things. There are a lot of people who are not even taking a bath every day, and this is very necessary for your good mental health. If you look good, if your skin feels good, you also feel good. The next thing we need to do is meditation. You do not need to do the proper meditation because it is very difficult for many of you guys. You just have to close your eyes, sit straight, or you can also take support of a chair or a bed behind you. Start by closing eyes and deep breathing. All you have to do is feel your body, feel your existence. After meditating for a few minutes, open your eyes, smile, and take a few deep breaths. And we are done. You will feel good in the mind, good in the heart, and totally relaxed. Now when you sit idle, you are very bored. You do not want to use your phone, you do not want to sleep anymore. Something interesting? Take out your books and study. So you would be thinking, is this something interesting I'm telling you guys to do? But actually this is, because during this quarantine days we have done everything, we have tried out everything but just not studies, and these are very interesting for you right now because these are something new for you to do. The first benefit is that you will first time in your life ever find this study thing interesting. The second benefit you will get by studying is that most of you have your exams when the colleges reopen, when the schools reopen, so you will be prepared beforehand. Also, you will feel so good and proud of yourself when you study without getting bored or distracted. When you're done studying, take out some novels. Novels are very boring for many people, it was for me too, but same as studying thing, this is also interesting for you now. If you do not like to read long fiction novels, long love stories or anything like that, pick out some self-help books. And also you can download novels from the websites, and that would help if you do not have any right now. Do not forget to smile after you do anything that is good. The last thing is sketching! Yeah! Yeah! Shit, इतना भी excited नहीं होना है. So we'll start now. You can take a pen if you do not have a pencil because I didn't find one. And take out any old picture of yours, any picture of your friends, family or anybody you find interesting. I took out an old picture of mine which was very funny for me now. Also, this will make you happy because if you are not good at drawing or sketching too, you will enjoy making it, you will enjoy when you see it afterwards, and that would make you feel good. So I made this drawing very fast, and here are the results. So I gave my best in sketching in just a few minutes, and I think this is good enough. Happy again. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you guys liked it. Please do like this video. Do comment down your views and your techniques that you are trying to do these days to overcome the mental stress. Share this video as much as you can, and do subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Thank you. Bye. So the thing is, आजकल सब लोग बहुत क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट को, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर को. कुछ मीम पेजेस देखे मैंने, कुछ लोग देखे जो ये पोस्ट कर रहे हैं कि तालियां बजवा रहे हैं, दिए जला रहे हैं, इससे कोरोना नहीं भागेगा. कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे, लोग भूखे मर रहे हैं. आई नो देयर आर प्रॉब्लम्स पीपल आर फेसिंग, आई नो पुअर पीपल आर सफरिंग, आई नो तालियां बजाने से, दिए जलाने से कुछ नहीं होगा, कोरोना नहीं भागेगा. जो एसेंशियल सर्विसेज में लोग हैं उनके बारे में सोचो. दे आर स्टेइंग अवे फ्रॉम देयर फैमिलीज, दे आर स्टेइंग अवे फ्रॉम देयर होम्स. देयर आर डॉक्टर्स हु आर स्टेइंग इन देयर कार्स सिंस द डे दे आर डूइंग द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ पीपल अफेक्टेड विद कोरोना. उन लोगों की लाइफ बिल्कुल रुक चुकी है. वो लोग सिर्फ हमारी हेल्प करने के लिए, सिर्फ हमें ठीक रखने के लिए, अपनी फैमिली, अपनी फ्रीडम, अपनी सेफ्टी सब कुछ खो के सिर्फ हमारी हेल्प कर रहे हैं. तो अगर हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर हमसे हाथ जोड़ के विनती कर रहे हैं कि हम घरों पे बैठे रहें, हम ताली बजाएं, थाली बजाएं, हम दिए जलाएं उन लोगों को प्रेज करने के लिए जो हमारे लिए इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं, जो हमारे लिए सोच रहे हैं खुद का ना सोचते हुए, तो इसमें क्या गलत है? अगर हम उन लोगों को प्रेज करेंगे तो उनकी स्ट्रेंथ, उनका मोटिवेशन बढ़ेगा हमारी हेल्प करने के लिए. हमें तो कुछ नहीं करना ना यार, हमें तो बस घर में बैठना है. सारा सामान हमें मिल रहा है, हम खा रहे हैं, हम पी रहे हैं, हम टीवी देख रहे हैं, हम इंटरनेट यूज कर रहे हैं, हम सो रहे हैं, हम सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. वो तो नहीं कर रहे ना. कम से कम उन्हें ये तो फील कराओ कि वो जो कर रहे हो बहुत बड़ा काम है. प्लीज, एंड do not take this personally. Like, people are taking these things to their religion, to their communities, to many things, but this is not a matter of religion. This is not a matter of any caste, creed, community, race. This is not a matter of any country. This is a matter of the whole world. This is a matter of uniting with each other and fighting the disease. This is a matter of concern. जिसे हम सब लोग अगर साथ में बैठ के फाइट नहीं करेंगे, साथ में मिल के बिना किसी क्रिटिसिज्म के एक दूसरे का साथ दे के, एक दूसरे को बढ़ावा दे के फाइट नहीं करेंगे, तो हम सब हार जाएंगे. इसमें कोई नहीं जीतेगा. नोबडी. ना कोई रिलीजन जीतने वाला है, ना कोई कास्ट जीतने वाली है, ना कोई कम्युनिटी जीतने वाली है, ना कोई कंट्री जीतने वाली है. हारेंगे तो हम सब हारेंगे, जीतेंगे तो हम सब जीतेंगे. दिस इज अ कलेक्टिव थिंग, दिस इज अ कलेक्टिव टास्क that we all have got, and we should obey it, we should do it properly so that we all win together, so that our prime minister is proud of his country, so that his efforts, the government's efforts, the essential service people's efforts are made worth it. I don't want कि वो लोग रिग्रेट करें कि उन्होंने अपना सारा टाइम दिया, हेल्थ को रिस्क पे रख के सब कुछ दिया हमारे लिए, और हम सब ने वो खराब कर दिया. So please, you guys, stay at your homes, stay safe, and praise the people who are doing these things for us. Thank you.